Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to save a voice preset in ElevenLabs. So actually guys, first you will need to go with ElevenLabs.io website and then just sign into your account. And now you will need to navigate to the text to speech option under the playground section on the left hand menu and just click it. And now you will need to select the voice you want to customize from voices here. So for example, you can use the search bar right here and choose the type of the voice that you want. The calm, hard-boiled, etc. or warm. So for example, I will go with warm, just set an example with it. Energetic. Okay, so that one. And here you can adjust the voice settings, the speed, pitch, stability, similarity, emotion, style, pose structure. So the options depends on your subscription. Okay, so the better subscription, the better option or the more option you got. Okay, so any other advanced control available in your plan, as I told you, and make sure the voice sounds exactly how you want before saving. So for example, we will go with a random text here, and then you will need to look for an option like, okay, go with generate speech for first, and then you will need to look for an option like save presets, save settings, or create presets pattern, usually near the voice setting panel. Okay, and as I told you, to see that option you will need to have a plan first, and then right there just enter a name for your preset, for example YouTube narration fast or calm podcast voice, and then just confirm, then click save. Okay, and your presets will afterward appear in your presets list for quick selection later. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.